Hey guys, who's ready to join me? 15 minutes. 15 minutes, that's all you're gonna give me, right? And we're gonna do a really good workout, moving our body this morning. I'm gonna get this all set up and we are going to get started. What is it that your goals and dreams and desires, what do they look like wrapped up in the next 24 hours? That's what I want for you today. And we're just gonna set this up as we get started. Okay, you ready? So we are literally 15 minutes, guys. So we might be a little bit on the inside of that now. March it out. Good morning. I wasn't expecting this either, but I have time. And when I have time and I'm feeling well, you will see me show up. Again, I do wish I got these a little smaller. I never thought of it. All right, 1 foot, back and forth, back and forth. Okay, good. Warming up as we are doing this workout. So remember that you're going to want to add your own warm up, your own cool down for what you don't see here. Okay. So remember, you can walk, you can jog. These are shorts that look funny. Trying to adapt. Oh, other foot. Okay. Back and forth. Back and forth. Good morning to all my beautiful friends. See, I knew I needed to move my energy this morning. And mornings are the best time for me. So I'm glad you're with me today. And march it out. March it out. Again, you can jog it out. You can go side to side on your mat. So touch, 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 touch. You're pushing your hips back as you're doing this move, touching the ground. Butt goes back, hips go forward. Chest is up. Okay, this time I want you to run this one out for 10 seconds. That's it, 10 seconds. Get your heart rate pumping this morning. Okay, I'm gonna go sideways so you can see this one. Step up. You can switch feet or you can do just the one. I'll go around. Okay, foot back, arms up. You got it. Go fast or slow here, it doesn't matter. And march it out. Whew. Anybody else warming up yet? Slow and steady, breathing from the diaphragm. Speed it up. Remember, guys, you can go as slow or as fast as you want to go in these 15 minutes. Okay, we're going to punch forward and up. Good. I am sticking to one side here. March it out. We'll do the other side in a second. Ready? Ready? Punch. Up. Punch. Up. Good. Find your groove. Side to side. Mix it up here, guys. Mix up your cardio. Yeah, I didn't think about moving in these clothes. Okay. Chest up. Good. Moving your abs. Moving your back. It's a small move. Okay. You're really moving your glutes and your low abs are being impacted there. Okay. Little windmill side to side. Now you can look down. I am being very mindful of my neck and my head. If you don't have those restrictions, do you? Let's go. Speed it up. Jog it out. Jog it out, guys. Okay? You can do anything for 2 seconds. Okay, ready? And I love how you guys are loving these. One side out. Hope you know how beautiful you are today. Hope you know how proud I am that you are showing up for you today. Heck, after spending the last day and a half on the couch, this feels good. I can't promise what the rest of my day will bring, but at least I know I've moved my body. That brings me joy every day. Feeling this? Push your arms back. There we go. Mix it up. Side to side. If you're breathing like me, have some water. Okay. Kind of like running arms, high knees. Alternating holds. Squeeze. One more. Excellent. Excellent. Move your body. Move your body, guys. All right, a little balancing with your heart rate. Leg up and out. Whew. When you're ready, get your arms going. Woo. Power, huh? Good. March it out. You know, we have to do this side next. Why this move is so hard is because we are huffing and puffing already. Whenever you do a pure balance move, after a little bit of cardio, it should feel a little hard. Okay, guys, side to side butt kickers as an active recovery here. Nice and easy. Okay, we're doing a funny move. It's like fast feet that they would do on a football field. Arms up. Arms up. Arms down. Arms up. Good. Good. You're finding the strength right here. Good. 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 Jog it out. Nice and easy. Keeping your heart rate going. Keeping your shoulders loosey-goosey. Yes, I said that. All right. Rolls up. Move it around. Rolls up. Rolls up. Good. Circles just add a little variety, guys. Okay, jog it out. Walk it out. You pick your poison here. I think I have company. Hey, Jojo. So shoulders open. Open. We're doing beats of 2. 2, 2, wide. 2, 2, forward. Good. Jog it out. This is the quickest 15-minute workout, but I promise you, it'll keep your heart rate up for most of the day, especially since it's Tabata style. Okay? Have fun with this. Feeling it? All right. Have some water. March it out. Good. Literally, front kicks. Arms in and out. Chest up. slow and steady. We're gonna jog this one because we're near the end. So you want your heart rate pumping as much as you can. All right, squat, punch. Holding this up and down. Good. Using your back. Good. Feel just smiling here. I'm just going side by side. Hope you're feeling alive. See, this was a prelude to this. Moving your hip. Really strong arms here. Strong core. You can always take it backwards for a little bit. Hope you know how amazing you guys are. Yeah. Okay, shaking your hips, arms up. Really getting that airflow from top to bottom. Arch it out. Arms up. So it's like you're turning a light bulb. Fancy it up with your arms, maybe your wrists, and bring your knees down. Or up. You know what I mean. Small, subtle movements, guys. Doing a little inner thigh work with this. We're gonna loosen our shoulders as we go round and round, forward, shake, 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 shake. You know, we keep so much tension here. How you doing? I promise it'd be a good workout for 15 minutes. Guys, you are so awesome. We're gonna do a little bit of a cool down here, bringing our heart rate down. Hello, Renee. This time, your step is really small. I'm sweating, guys. That's what happens when I work out first thing in the morning. I want you to go, when we're moving through these stretches, I want you to take yourself through to your range of motion. Okay? Go to where you feel it, and then stop. Okay, good. Okay, we're gonna do some stretches in the back of our calves. You should also be feeling this in your glutes. Perfect. We're gonna switch sides, okay? Bring it over. Oh. Feeling this in your glutes, back of your leg. Guys, thank you. Thank you for joining me. You are so amazing. Look at this, I'm sweating. It's because I'm burning my energy first thing in the morning. And when we do that, we actually expel more throughout the day. Not only do we eat less, but when we're doing HIIT style body weight, whether you're using extra weights or not, Tabata is a form of HIIT, it's just not as long. You are setting your metabolism to burn fat for the next 48 hours. So even if this 15 minutes is all you can do, and then maybe a walk a little bit later, kudos to you for showing up. Thanks, guys. I have my book club that starts in just a few minutes. I squeezed this in today, first thing. Maybe I'll be able to go to Aquafit later. Let me know if you followed along, whether it's live or with the replay. And I'll be posting this up on my YouTube channel. I'll be posting the link below. Bye, guys. Thank you.